The contrast between the rich and the poor can be viewed from multiple angles, including wealth accumulation, mindset, habits, opportunities, and lifestyle choices. Below are some key differences between the two groups. 1. Mindset and perspective. Rich people with wealth often have a growth mindset. They focus on creating opportunities, are solution-oriented, and embrace learning. They typically view failures as lessons and are willing to take calculated risks. Poor people in poverty may have a fixed mindset. They might see challenges as insurmountable obstacles, focus on survival rather than growth, and feel limited by external circumstances. This can lead to a sense of helplessness or a lack of ambition. Point 2. Financial habits. Rich, wealthy individuals tend to have strong financial discipline. They prioritize saving, investing, and planning for the future. They also tend to create multiple streams of income, whether through investments, businesses, or real estate. Poor, those with limited financial means may struggle with impulse spending, lack of budgeting, and not saving for emergencies. Many may rely on debt to cover immediate expenses rather than building long-term financial security. 3. Education and knowledge. Rich, wealthy individuals often value financial education. They tend to seek out learning opportunities, read extensively, and stay informed about money management, investments, and wealth-building strategies. Poor people who are financially struggling may lack access to education or financial literacy. They may not have the resources or time to learn about money management, which can perpetuate a cycle of poverty. 4. Risk tolerance. Rich, the wealthy are often willing to take calculated risks, such as investing in stocks, starting businesses, or pursuing unconventional opportunities. They understand the relationship between risk and reward. Poor, those with fewer resources often avoid risks due to fear of losing what little they have. This can limit their ability to grow wealth, as taking no risks can often mean missing out on growth opportunities. 5. Time management. Rich, wealthy individuals tend to value time. They are often strategic in how they spend their time, focusing on high-value activities, delegating tasks,